What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money in bear markets. Let's go. Alright, so the reason I'm making this video is because I know there's a lot of investors out there, stock investors, crypto investors, that you know that every couple of years there are bear markets. Okay, the only thing is that you can't exactly predict exactly when these bear markets are going to take place. Okay, so I have a system that I created that I'm using to make me money when we're in bull markets and also when we're in bear markets. Okay, the system is called the one trading. And I'm going to dive into the charts here and show you the results that my system generated in the last bear market, which was between the beginning of 2022 to the end of 2022. So about one whole year of bear market. Alright, so we're going to jump into the NASDAQ here, which is one of the main things that I trade. So let's go over here to the daily. Alright, let's zoom out. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, this right here was the last bear market, which lasted about 12 months. And so it pretty much started right here after this peak right here, which wasn't able to beat the last peak. And then from here, it just continued dropping. So this was pretty much January 1st of 22, okay? And it ended here, and the reason it ended here is because from here, it started going up, and it broke this low. It put in a new higher high. So pretty much the bear market ended, let's say it ended right here when it broke this high. So February of 2023, okay? So I'm going to show you my trading system that I created. It's called The One Trading. There's going to be links down below in the description if you're interested in learning more. It is available to the public now to connect to your trading account. If you want an automated system that will just trade for you, where you won't have to trade or look at the charts. It'll just automatically do everything. So let's go ahead and open up my trading system here. All right, these are the results, I think, for the last 30 days. And now here, we're going to select the bear market dates, which was, like we said, so beginning of January 2022 to about, let's say, February 1st of 2023. Okay, let's go ahead and run the numbers here, the results. So this is what my automated trading system made during the bear market. So while you were holding on to losses, you could have had your money being multiplied here with a automatic trading system. And then, once you saw that the bear market was over, you could have taken your money out and put it back into whatever stocks or cryptos you wanted to invest in. That's one way to do it. So this right here is an example with a $10,000 starting account. So you can open up an account with $10,000, and this is what this is what the automated trading system would have made during that bear market. So with a $10,000 account, it would have made almost $23,000 during that period, which was a year and a month. This was the maximum drawdown at any given point. So maximum it would have gone down was $3,000. But if you would have started the account with $10,000, you would now be at $32,966. Okay, that's what your account balance would have been at the end of that bear market period. And keep in mind, this is just with an example of $10,000. Like I said, if you put in, let's say, $30,000, which is what I actually put into it for the past few months. Let's go ahead and change the dates here again. All right, so here are the results. If you would have started the bear market with $30,000, you would have made $68,898. So that means you would have a ending balance on February 1st, 2023, after the bear market ended. You would have a balance of $98,000 because you started with 30 plus the profits, which is this right here. So you would have had $98,898. And with a maximum drawdown of $9,408 at any given point. So that's very good. That is not just double your money, that's like triple your money. Because 100% ROI would have been to double your account. Okay, so that would have been like 200% ROI because you doubled your your initial starting balance twice during a bear market. So in 1 year and 1 month, that's pretty good. And so I'm just showing you guys here the results for the bear market, but let's change the date here and just put till today. So let's say with this $30,000, what would you have made if you would have kept it in there till now? So 2025, October 15, 2025. Let's go ahead and update the report. So if you would have started the automated trading system with $30,000 on January 1st, 2022 and held it till now, you would have made $177,802 in profit. So this plus the 30 initial starting balance, so you would have $200,000 in your account right now, all automated from just $30,000. So that's pretty good. For me, I invest a little bit in real estate and other things. But in the world of investing, that's not just a great ROI. That's a outstanding ROI. That's amazing. Especially without having to do any work, because remember, keep in mind this is automated. The trading system is connected to the trading account and automatically sends and executes all these trades that you see here. Alright, so there you go. That is how to make money in bear markets with the one trading. Alright everyone, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like if you did. It really helps me out. And comment down below and let me know your thoughts. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.